What is trauma? So it can be memorable, it can be something we remember, something that has been big and memorable. It can be non memorable, so something that we can't remember because maybe we were too distressed, too young, something that we weren't consciously aware of at the time. It can be a one off event, or it can be a series of events, and it can be a mixture of all of those things as well. And if we don't recover from something that's traumatized us, we can go on to be re traumatized over and over again, which really sets in that trauma profile. It deepens it and it makes it much, much, much more difficult to recover from. It affects us physically as well. So there's an awful lot of illness and pain that can be attributed to trauma. So many people who feel that they're on the right track to healing their trauma with really decent therapy find that physical illness falls away the deeper that they become recovered, I guess. So it's really, really fascinating. But there are lots of things that cause trauma for our children. Um, you know, and maybe, when I'm talking about this tonight, it would be a good idea for you to think about what's caused you trauma. Because actually, by delving quite deep into our own selves and our own experiences, we can sometimes see how things are affecting our children.